Alright guys, welcome to break number 26. Here is the box that we have for tonight, and it is numbered 95907117. Just put the random video up on YouTube so you guys can see what teams you have. Get right into it and crack this puppy open. 10 packs of 11-12 artifacts. Sorry about the lighting guys, I'm just here in my office at work. It's a little bit dark tonight. Alright, here we go, pack number 1. We have, for the St. Louis Blues out of 225, dual jersey, Patrick Berglund and Alex Pietrangelo. For the Montreal Canadiens out of 999, Artifact Star, PK Subban. And again, for the Montreal Canadiens out of 135, Frozen Artifacts dual jersey, Carey Price. It's a rookie redemption for the Winnipeg Jets, numbered 202. I'm not exactly sure who that is, but that checklist has been released and you can look it up. For the Montreal Canadiens again, out of 999, hockey legend Larry Robinson. There's a nice big patch in here. We have for the this way for the Edmonton Oilers. Nice, out of 35, emerald horizontal parallel, nice 3-color patch jersey, Alex Hemsky. Rookie for the Florida Panthers, Hugh Jesserman out of 999. For the Dallas Stars out of 999, rookie Thomas Vincour. Two packs to go, guys. For the Boston Bruins, auto facts of Patrice Bergeron. And the last pack for the Ottawa Senators, emerald rookie out of 99, Stefan DaCosta. So guys, thanks again for everyone who participated. We're going to be coming at you hard on the 23rd and on. Got some Crown Royal coming tomorrow. Things are looking up, so I'm just going to go over these cards real quick. Emerald rookie out of 99 for the Ottawa Senators, Stefan DaCosta. Auto facts for the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. Artifacts rookie for the Dallas Stars, Thomas Vincour. For the Florida Panthers, Hugh Jesserman, Artifacts rookie. Out of 35, horizontal emerald parallel jersey patch, Alex Hemsky. For the Montreal Canadiens of 999, hockey legend Larry Robinson. For the Winnipeg Jets, rookie redemption. For the Montreal Canadiens, out of 135, Frozen Artifacts dual jersey, Carey Price. For the Montreal Canadiens, Artifact Star, PK Subban. And for the St. Louis Blues, Tundra Tandems out of 225, Patrick Berglund and Alex Pietrangelo. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you soon.